the homepage. Starting off, we've got our content with descriptions of our company, positions, and the team. We've got a navbar at the top with links to every page. There's also a button which takes straight to the apply page, which also changes color upon hovering. This will be the video that is currently being recorded, which upon clicking the image opens up in YouTube. And we've got links to mail to, opens up Outlook, got socials as well. And there is also responsive design, which upon making that smaller, changes the layout of the website. And this is on every page. To apply, about, enhancements, and jobs.
Welcome to the job description page. The first thing you see here is the navigation bar of Titanic swim team. Next thing you see is the site section, which has the information of the team, what the team does right here. And the next thing you see on the right hand side is the job. And the first job will be Cloud Architect, which has the description, responsibility, requirements, essentials, preferable, and salary range. We've got startup salary, the average salary, and the experience salary. Down here, we got hyperlink mail to you, which leads to my Swinburne contact email. The next thing is software development, which is pretty similar to Cloud Architect, and I use margin order to organize all the paragraphs to the center of the page. Scrolling down, we have hyperlink to that leads to all the members' contact email. So if we click here, it's going to lead us to mail. This is the social media hyperlinks. If we click on YouTube, it's going to lead us to YouTube.
The next page for our website is the job application page. Anyone who wants to apply for a job has to fill out the job application form. However, there are restrictions as to what can be entered into each field, such as the job reference number must be exactly 5 alphanumeric characters, or else the form can't be submitted. Using the pattern code, the first and last name fields are a maximum of 20 alpha characters. The date of birth must be a correct date, and the gender must be selected from the 3 radio inputs. The street address and suburb/town are a maximum of 40 characters, and the state field must be selected from the drop-down list options. The postcode must be exactly 4 digits, and the email address must have an @ symbol and must be a complete email address. The phone number field is between 8 and 12 digits, and spaces are allowed. Then the skill list checkboxes can be checked, whether or not the applicant has those skills. There is a text area for other skills, and once the form is completed, the data is submitted to the server.
Hi, my name is Aaron, and I will be explaining my enhancements page that I've created for the group project. As seen on the screen here is the enhancements page where I described 2 of our biggest enhancements that went above and beyond our standard CSS. Here is the first enhancement, which is the adjusting of the screen browsing size. This allows for mobile users or PC users to adjust the size of their browser while text and everything to be aligned to fit accordingly, and the code responsible for that is on the right. The second enhancement was the hovering over menu and accessible hyperlinks, and the code responsible for that is seen on the right here.
So the main features of the About page are the nav menu, which allows for a cleaner and less clustered view in mobile view, as it brings out the URLs from a hidden view into view when tapped on mobile. And this is molded by the CSS code mainly, or entirely, through this code here, which changes the look and style and brings the transition out. A slow transition through this. When tapped, active, or hover, it will transition out.